Okay, we are installing the table base for our table leg system. And basically the base you'll get, and then you'll get different hardware based off of what type of base that you have. With our system, you'll get this, and you're gonna line it up with these holes right here. So you'll see which ones you can line it up, and then you'll look at the proper screws. So our screw, let me show you another little trick too that we add, a nice little feature. So the bigger the table, this is standard, there's nothing you can do. The Lagun brand, our table leg brand, there's other out there on the market. The bigger the table, these Lagun systems or table leg systems aren't really made for a really heavy table. Can we use bigger tables? Absolutely, we have been for 7 years. But what we like to do is add a spacer to level the table out. So on this particular model, this is where the overhang is going to be. This table is going to drop down a little bit. So I'm going to add a spacer over here and then over here, just like that. And then I'm going to come in here and set this on top, and I'm going to get this started. And if you notice, the screws are longer. So the two screws that go up here where the overhang is are the longer ones, and the ones in the back are the shorter ones. So we'll add these longer ones, and I'll get that started. And just start with your fingers so you don't cross thread it. Okay, now I can come over here, line that up. I'll get these going, and then I'm gonna take the shorter ones, and they'll go back here. And you don't want to tighten these yet, you want a little bit of play. Okay. And then we supply you with the hex key as well to tighten this down, which is right here. So I'll come in here, just kind of give it a nice little snug. Same thing over here. And then we are ready to mount this table onto the table leg system. So you'll have a hex key for the larger ones, depends on what base you have. So these will be extra. Hopefully you can use them on another project. And then now, as you can see, there's a little bit of overhang on that table.